Bak kut teh.
I think chicken rice. I want to eat wonton mee.
But hey, did you bring your container?
Yeah, it's in my bag. What container?
Yeah, I thought the auntie provides it for 20 cents.
Isn't it very troublesome?
Don't you know how harmful those containers are to the environment?
Yeah, it creates waste.
And it contributes to air pollution.
So?
It's okay. I think I should leave it to our friend, the environmental fairy, to explain more about it.
Firstly, manufacturing of plastic containers leave a very huge carbon footprint to the environment due to the process of producing it. To produce plastics, raw materials have to be first extracted from oil, natural gas, or coal. The raw materials will then be reacted together to form plastic. However, to produce only just 1 kg of plastic, 6 kg of carbon dioxide will be emitted. The raw materials will then be transported long distances to plastic factories, which as a result burns fossil fuels and emits more greenhouse gases to the environment. Secondly, takeaway containers are detrimental to our environment. Over 14 million tons of plastic container waste are generated in 2015 alone, and that's a staggering increase from 120,000 tons in 1960. Furthermore, almost 70% of this plastic waste cannot be recycled or recovered through combustion. The worldwide production of plastic is currently at 35 kg per year per person, and on average, it is increasing by 3% per year. If this rate continues, it means that our landfills will start piling up even faster, and more greenhouse gases will be produced as a result. Thirdly, takeaway containers can also enter our waterways and oceans, polluting the sea and endangering marine lives. Studies have shown that due to their exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays and the presence of microorganisms, these containers degrade and break down into smaller particles called microplastics. This results in it producing chemical toxins, and it will start losing its buoyancy, which will cause these microplastics to sink to the bottom of the ocean. Marine creatures like the sea turtle, fishes, dolphins, whales, and even seabirds would then ingest these microplastics, and because of overconsumption of these plastics, they will eventually die.
Oh no, that sounds horrible.
But what's so good about your containers?
There are a few good things about our containers.
Well,
with this container, the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere will be reduced because we will not need to produce so many plastic containers anymore. This means that there will be lesser plastic waste created, leading to lesser pollution to our waters, which will prevent endangering our marine creatures. In addition, this is not just a regular container. I mean like, you know those you get from our canteen vendors now? Yup, that. This container is foldable, and it is really light as well. You can just carry it around with you anywhere you go. Furthermore, there's an anti-grease coating on its inner walls, which prevents grease or oil to stay on the container after coming into contact with such compounds. This will in turn reduce the amount of water needed to wash the container. And you know what this means? It is even more environmentally friendly.
Wow, it sounds like a very good container.
yeah, where can I get one?
You can find it at major supermarkets like Prime, NTUC, or Cold Storage.
Why don't we get it now?
Yeah! Hi auntie, one roti prata please.
One bak kut teh, please.
One plate of chicken rice please.
Auntie, I want wonton mee. Having here or take away?
Take away, please.
Take away need 20 cents.
Auntie, no need. Nah.
What's this?
Come auntie, I show you.
Wow, very good eh.
Of course, we love the environment.